All right, 20 seconds to go. RH, Restoration Hardware. And AMD are on main watch. Hey, look at AMD just dumping. Perfect. Still holding short on AMD. Not going to cover that up. Got no reason to. Beautiful trade so far. Still holding short. So you can see it's kind of trying to bounce. It kind of got sucked up around that 23.13 or 23.11 area, which was that pre-market low area I was referring to. Restoration Hardware had a quick morning wash, kind of selling out there a little bit. Still following this closely. Oh, big short squeeze with AMD. So watching Restoration Hardware here, it's trying to do like a little red to green move. The market's trying to push up right now. AMD's squeezing. I don't like the way AMD looks with this big green candle. Yeah, probably going to take AMD off here because it's just squeezing like crazy. Just doesn't have that appearance like it wants lower right now. So still holding short on AMD. You also got the market moving higher right now. That's a portion to AMD squeezing up. Restoration Hardware still can't make up its mind on what it wants to do. So watching Restoration Hardware here, possibly short. There goes AMD. All right, I just entered short on Restoration Hardware. I'm going to see if this starts to kind of break down this 200 moving average. So just covered up a little bit on AMD, still short on Restoration Hardware, 300 shares. I covered up 700 shares there short on AMD on that drop. Still have 300 shares short. Holding 300 shares short on Restoration Hardware currently. So still in short, Restoration Hardware, looking forward to start selling off here. Would be ideal. All right, just fully exited on AMD. Might exit here on Restoration Hardware. All right, all out of Restoration Hardware. Just didn't like the way that was moving. Just kind of getting fakey there. So all out on Restoration Hardware. Might wait a little bit longer for that to set up. We didn't instantly get that dump that I was looking for. So I'm going to keep that on watch. Wow, SFET went nuts. I was following that, but I didn't end up trading it. I don't even know what's going on here. SFET is an extremely risky stock. It has a float. Well, it can be very, very volatile. Let me put it that way. Very volatile stock with only, 500,000 share float. Yeah. So Restoration Hardware just squeezed up like crazy. Yeah, NVLN could have a nice little pop here. Yeah, following RH. Let's see. What are you going to do? Well, the market's still kind of just chopping around back and forth, hasn't made up its mind. So, you might start off with a relatively slower start to the day. Oh, Restoration Hardware just kind of slumped over there out of nowhere. So following this closely. Yeah, I was debating getting short here on Restoration Hardware, but I don't like that it's dropped so much. It's right next to the previous low a day after this massive red candle. I just didn't want to short that, but there it goes. Damn it. I mean, it sucks, but it is what it is. Just wasn't the best setup. Market kind of rolling over again, but still has yet to really even break down. Restoration Hardware, it's got a lot of room. It could come down. Just fakey. It's not really, yeah, Restoration Hardware is just not giving me that setup. Afria's stock's seen a big sell-off this morning. Let's see what this sell-off looks like or what it does. Market just kind of broke through low a day from market open, not pre-market, but low a day since market open. Nice work. Good job. Good job, Riz. Nice work. So just kind of watching Afria's stocks sell off. Might watch us for a reversal trade. So a couple trades this morning, nothing too fantastic here. Going to be up about $400 on the day. So a couple trades, nothing too crazy today. So we'll end the recording there for you guys on YouTube. So thank you guys again for tuning in as always, and we'll see you in the next video.